Hey guys, it's Kara. Welcome back to my channel, Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And today I have for you an unboxing of the FabFitFun Winter Box. This is the first time that I featured FabFitFun on my channel, and I was sent this box complimentary by the company for review. It's a great one. Spoiler alert. It's a great one. Let's take a look at what's inside. So this is the winter box. It has a very cute design on the outside. Every season they do different designs for the boxes. Super cute. All of your products come inside. There's 7 in here. However, there was one on the outside. I have one that's giant, a product that is giant, and it is this. It is so big that it was too big to fit into the FabFitFun box. So the FabFitFun box came inside of a larger box, which then fit this. This is a lovely blanket. This is the Untitled Lil Marshmallow Faux Chinchilla fur blanket. It is so big. It is so comfortable. It's in a beautiful silver gray, and it's a throw, but it's bigger than a throw. I looked at the dimensions of what this was versus a regular throw, and this is definitely bigger. It's nice and thick. It's very warm, and in fact, several members of my family have enjoyed this already. We had this out by a little campfire that we had in the backyard when we did s'mores, and Pat's mom was by the campfire enjoying this lovely blanket, and I enjoy it as well, sitting on the couch. And then when I leave the couch, my dog Violet steals the blanket. She just climbs on top of it and goes to sleep. So notwithstanding, this blanket remains a human blanket. This is described as faux chinchilla when you look in the little magazine that comes in your FabFitFun box. And this one has a value of $65, which is fantastic because the FabFitFun boxes cost $49.99 if you pay by season. So already the box is worth the money. It's a really good deal. And here are all my other items. I have 7 more items in here. And FabFitFun quarterly box, and you can subscribe and be a quarterly member, or you can be an annual member. And I do have a code, an affiliate code. It is Beer Budget. That's right, it's Beer Budget. So if you would like to subscribe to this box, you can use Beer Budget, and that will get you $10 off your first box. That means that your first box will be all of this. You get beauty, you get lifestyle, you get some fitness items sometimes, and you get your first box for $39.99. So let's take a look at what else I have in here. I definitely have some really good beauty items, which is fantastic since I am a big beauty lover. We have the Cuddly Venusaurs Moisturizing Sorbet. This has a value of $39. This is a really lovely product. I've been using it for a few weeks now. I am familiar with Cuddly products. This one, I wasn't familiar with this one exactly. It comes out like a poofy cream. It's not a lotion, it's not a cream. It has that really nice like whipped texture to it. And I find that I could wear this day or in the evening. I can apply it. It does moisturize nicely, sink in nicely, and I can wear makeup over it. So it has a tiny little bit of a scent to it. All the Cuddly products seem to have that. I'm really fond of their serum as well, but this has become a real go-to for me. I like the fact that I can have one product for both day and night. If I do use this at night, when I wake up in the morning, my skin does feel nicely hydrated. Sometimes if I use more of a day cream at night, I wake up and I don't feel as hydrated in the morning, but this one does a great job for both times of the day-night. Next up, we have the Ilia Beauty Limitless Lash Mascara, and this is a fantastic one. I did not have much experience with Ilia. I had only tried one product before, a lipstick, so I was interested in trying more products from Ilia, and let me tell you, this worked out fantastically. This has a retail value of $28, and it's been fantastic for me. I'm going to get a little bit closer so you can check out my lashes today. It does a great job. I do not have trouble when I apply it. It's not clumpy when it goes on. It's easy to build up a little bit, and it has a very interesting wand to it. If you take a look at the wand, you can see that the top part of the wand is your standard brush, if you could see that, and then on the other side it's silicone-y, like a little silicone comb. It also has a slight hourglass shape to it, and the way that I use both sides of the little lash brush is that I use the natural side first, get the product onto the lashes, build up the product a bit, and then flip it over and use the little silicone-y side to just comb the product through so that it looks nice and even with no clumps whatsoever, and it just works fantastically. As far as mascaras go, this is the absolute best mascara that I've ever received in a subscription box, and that says a lot because I've had a lot of subscription boxes in my day. Now, if you go through your FabFitFun magazine, they show you all of the products that you could get besides the product that you got. Here, there was the Untitled Little Marshmallow Blanket. You could also choose to get a robe. There were champagne glasses. And besides the Moisturizing Sorbet and the mascara, which are on this page, there was also a scarf. There was also another skincare product. That one was by Dr. Brandt. So yeah, this is a box that does have the brands that you like, that you love. Dr. Brandt, you get Tula, you could get Cuddly. Just a lot of nice brands that are in this box every season. Next in the box, we have a fashion item. Well, fashion-y socks. These are 2 pairs of Kate Spade socks, and these are called bar socks. So when you put them on, they look like a little shoe bar. What do you call that? Here's your heel, and then here's your toe, and here's a little logo. But what's really cool is on the bottom, they have that texture that prevents you from slipping or falling. So these would be, great for yoga, great for anything, really, walking around the house. These go for $24. So this is a fun little addition to the box. I mean, who can't use a little pair or 2 pairs of little black socks for running around, hanging around your house? Now, next up is for something to use when I leave the house, which hasn't been super often, considering we're in the middle of COVID. This is called the Below the Belt Croc Card Case. And it is faux leather, and it has like a crocodile embossing. They call that mock croc. And it has a little zip here if you want to put in smaller items or some coins. It could fit some coins in here. And then on the back, whenever I do use a little card carrying case like this, what I usually do is I put in, so you can squish it, and in here I put in like a $20 bill in case I need cash, and then I put my license there, and then 1 credit card, and I'll just take something like this and stick it in my back pocket if I'm just running out the door to do a short errand, or if I'm going out somewhere where I don't want to carry a purse, then I carry a little card carrier like this. But these are super handy to have. This one, the retail value is $35. And then also from this same page, we have 2 items that did appear in my box. If you look at this page, you can see that there's a lip scrub, there's a hair product, then there's a nail thing, there's a blush. Let's take a look at what I have though. I have this. It is the Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush. Since I do have foundation on, I can't really demo this. in the magazine it explains the benefits of using a facial brush, and this tells you that you can use it on your forehead, your nose, your chin, your cheeks, and your neck. And what it does is it stimulates lymphatic pathways and it reduces puffiness. But I also like these because it kind of sloughs off any bit of dead skin that you have. So I do use this. As you can see, if you lightly use it, you don't see like red streaks or anything. However, I do get red at certain parts on my face. I can definitely use this on the forehead and on the lower parts of my face, but if I were to use this like right here in the cheeks, I get red. It's just something that happens because I'm just like a little bit of a sensitive skin person, but it's cute. It's a cute little brush. It's about the size of your hand, and that one retails for $20. Up next, we have a black eyeliner because everybody needs black eyeliners. You know, I would so demo this for you guys, only my hands are unsteady. And that's another reason why I didn't wear it today. I am able to wear mascara successfully with only minor incidents of getting it on my face, but my hands are unsteady, so unfortunately I was not able to wear this for you guys today. However, I did apply a big blotch here because I wanted to know whether this came out with a matte finish or not. It does come out super, super black. However, I did need to do a couple of coats on that, and it's not matte. So we do have some shininess going on there. It does have a felt tip to it. We can take a look. Here we go. And again, my hands are unsteady, so if I don't drop this, it will be a miracle. And let's take a look at a swatch. And that was pushing down very hard. I pushed down very hard so we could get a nice thick line so that it would show up in the camera. And again, I'm not a black eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner wearer because I have unsteady hands. This one goes for $21. And before I get to the last product that's in the box, I want to mention a couple of other things. FabFitFun, one thing that's really big about FabFitFun, which makes it really good, is the customization. So depending on which level of subscription you have, you'll be able to select some or slightly more of your products that you're going to get in your box. And that's why some people opt to get the annual subscription instead of the seasonal subscription, so they can choose more items. Also, one really big thing that they have too is the flash sales, and you can save up to 70% on the items in there. And every box from FabFitFun, every season has a theme. This one is Shimmer, Spice, and Everything Nice. And according to the information I have in front of me, it says this winter we're saying cheers to making every day a special occasion. And I like this part here. It says whether you're getting glammed up for a holiday soiree, which kind of didn't happen for most of us this year, or hibernating in front of the cozy fire. That actually happened because when I received this box, we took this blanket practically immediately. It was within a couple of days of getting the box, and we went right on out to a fire. We built a little campfire in the backyard. It was me, it was my boyfriend Patrick, his 91-year-old mother was wearing this. She loved it. She thought it was so comfortable. And also Pat's niece. So we did enjoy this by a cozy fire. So that is legit. And a few points I didn't mention yet is that all the products in the boxes are full size. FabFitFun delivers to the US, UK, and Canada. And every box is worth over $200. And dipping into the box one last item, we have a skincare item. So this is really cool. This is by Beauty. It's the Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels, and you get a set of 4. I've already used one set of these. They're very nice. They have hyaluronic acid in them so that it does hydrate your under eye area, and also kind of plumps up. You know how hyaluronic acid has that ability to just kind of plump up your skin a little bit? And this is what they look like. They're a really comfortable shape, and they're not too big. You can see the size right in here, or maybe you can't. Sorry. They're really nice, they're really comfortable, and they stay on super well. And the eye gels are worth $25. So that is my box. What did you guys think? What is your favorite item here in the box? My favorite item in the box was this blanket. Maybe because it was just so large, so big, so comfortable, so nice. This really was my initial first favorite item, but I actually really like 3 of the items in here. I don't want to make it a tie for 3 of the items, so I will just say that that was my initial favorite, was the blanket, the Unhide Little Marshmallow blanket, but my favorite has turned out to be the Ilia mascara. Do you get FabFitFun? What did you get in your winter box? And are you considering getting FabFitFun? If so, again, that's my code. You don't have to use it. I don't make money from the code. It's just a tracking code for FabFitFun to see how many people watched my video and used my code to go and get a FabFitFun box. So thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. I thank FabFitFun immensely for considering me and being so kind to send me this box complimentary. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Please hit like if you enjoyed the video and consider subscribing, because I'm always trying to build my little family here on YouTube, and I'll see you at the next one. Possibly at my TJ Maxx videos that I upload every Saturday at 3 o'clock EST. Bye guys!